Well, hey, folks out there in internet land. It is Thursday, September the 6th, 2018. I'm Chuck Shaduck, the Digital Duck, and I am the founder of PeopleHelpingPeopleClub.net. As you see, the link below there. And I just wanted to do this short video to show everybody why we chose the income vehicle that we chose. As you can see here, it is Crypto Builder. Crypto Builder's financial wealth. We build it together. We have a registration page on PeopleHelpingPeopleClub.net. We talk to people every day face to face. We're different than everybody else because we like to talk to people face to face. So as you can see right here on our page, you're welcome to pop over and visit there. But what I want to do is I wanted to share with everybody my back office in this income vehicle that we have chosen as a group to be able to get an income going online as a team. All right, so let me go ahead on and get this verified on this captcha thing and get on in. I'll share with you my back office and show you what I've done in 109 days. I started on May the 18th about 10 o'clock in the evening, so I didn't count that. So let me get out of the way over here, and as soon as it percolates on up, I call it, we'll go down here and look at where we're at and how I've got here. And thanks to Alan Shaw, because he did pay it forward for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop down below you and just see how it is that I came in here for nothing and have got 12 active positions right now. And I'm going to share with you what my first position looks like as of today. And this is only 109 days, okay? So let me move out of the way and I'll share everybody. Everybody up at the top, you'll notice at the very top row up here is myself, is my name. You're going to see my name up here. I'm Digital Duck and Chuck Shaduck, the Digital Duck. As you can see all the way down, we're going to look at level 1, which just has 2. You can only have 2 on level 1. My first one is Crypto Bob, and my second one is, of course, Fiend or Valerio Rigby. As you can see over here now, we're going to go over to level 2 now. We got Ronnie 67. That's my great friend Ron Townsend. Him and Ruby T39 there are some great helpers, and they do it every day, like clockwork. Austin is Ron's son, which is a great kid. I love that kid. He's a good kid. All right, you can see now my level 2. Now this is in 109 days. Everybody is in. Reverend Dave Whitmer. Hi, Reverend Dave. Thank you so much. Crypto Ken. That's Ken Calton with my friend Robert Leroy Frank. This is all happening because we are helping each other. There's Valerio again, Fiend. I think they're supposed to say friend, but he says Fiend. You can see that my level 2 all the way across has everybody filled in level 2. Have you ever seen that happen in 109 days with the Matrix program? Now we're going to go to level 3 for Ruby. Go to level 3, you'll see all of those are filled all the way left and right, all the way down. All right. Level 4, we'll go back slowly through level 4. You're going to see every position in level 4 is filled. This is what takes place when people help each other. And we're not out just for one person to get the full ball of wax. You know what I'm saying? Here's level 5. All right, you can see level 5. It is full, completely full. This is in 109 days. All right, completely full, all the way down, left to right, every step there is. As you can see, my level 6 is even full. This is on the very first position that I bought or I got into because of a friend of mine paid it forward for me, Alan Shaw. Thank you, Alan. And you can see from there, I have put my children in, my family in, my friends. All of the folks that I care dearly about are in this matrix. And this is just one of the matrices. As you can see, there are 12 of them, and these are the levels that every one of them is on. That's because of this income system is automated. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. It's click, click, click. It's like 2 plus 2 always equals 4. As you can see, I've totally earned $1,440 back from an investment of some time and some caring about other folks. And it says here I have a balance of 100. It's getting ready to be moved somewhere. 8 completed payouts for a total of $420 in Bitcoin from some work that I have done. As like I said, it's a matter of all the people that have helped me do this. I could have never done this on my own, and it's in 109 days, as you can see. Go back here to my dashboard. As you can see, there it is, my sponsor, Alan Shaw. All right, so that's what peoplehelpingpeopleclub.net is all about. We want everybody to stop by peoplehelpingpeopleclub.net. Check it out. This is automated income, ladies and gentlemen. It is nothing that you have to do. Anybody can do this, can come on in, but we want to make it different. We want to say hello to you. So if you're looking at this video and you get over to peoplehelpingpeopleclub.net, you'll see this page right here. That video is from me to you. Hello. This is a definition or a video that explains how our income system works. All right. If you click here, you'll go to a form to fill out. You'll be able to actually come into another link and come and talk to me personally just by filling out that link over there. And there's another video there, a copy of that one in case you have not been able to watch it all the way through. It's really important that you do check it out. You can see live support over here on the right side. It says live support. It is 8 a.m. to noon and 5 to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Zone on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. I have great friends of mine, Ron Thompson and Ruby Thompson, and I can go through. Ruby Thompson, Robert Frank, Dave Whitmer, Desiree Smith, Teddy Weber, Monica Anderson, Greg Ballou, Jim Murray. I mean, we got all kinds of people in here that will help everybody that pops in when you need help, because we like to do it face-to-face and help each other. So, hey, I'm Chuck Shaduck. I'm the Digital Duck, and I'm the proud founder of peoplehelpingpeopleclub.net, and I invite you and everybody else out there to come by and say hello. Let's make a difference in the world. I'm making a difference in 109 days already. You saw it. The proof, I say, is in the pudding, and you can see the pudding or the recipe that we have is working. That much has been put into my Coinbase wallet, which I have put back into this system because I love the people that I am working with. So, hey, I'm Chuck Shaduck, the Digital Duck. I shall see you soon. Take care. Jump over to peoplehelpingpeopleclub.net. Register now and come on in and say hello. Take care for now. We'll talk to you really soon. Bye-bye.